Now I will show you the most easiest way to download videos from Facebook. So now go to Facebook, click here to get videos. Now I want to download this Facebook video. So click the share button, click more option, SnapTube came here. Now click on SnapTube, click the arrow button here, the download sign. From here, you can choose the format that you want to download. If you want to download the YouTube video as MP3 file, choose this format. Or if you want to download as a video, there are four types of qualities of the video. So I usually choose the third one. So click on it. Now the video is downloading. To see it is the progress, click here. Yeah, it is downloading. As you can see, it is downloading here. So this is very convenient way to download videos from Facebook. But SnapTube is not a free mobile application. It is a premium application. So to get SnapTube, you need to go to Chrome browser, and on the search bar, write a apkpure.com. apkpure.com. Click search. It will direct you to this website where you can get a lot of mobile applications. So in the search bar here, click on it and write SnapTube. SnapTube, and click search. So this is the SnapTube YouTube video downloader. And by clicking download APK, you can get down this application to your mobile phone. I have already done it, so I don't need to download it again now. This is the process, very simple, very easy. Download this application, and you can use it to for anything to download to your phone. Even you can use it to download YouTube videos easily to your mobile phone. Let me show you how you can do that. First, go to YouTube. If I want to download this audiobook, for example, to download this audiobook, click here, the three dots, and click the share button here. And it will redirect you to this social medias, but definitely SnapTube will come here. Yeah, this is a SnapTube. So click on it. So from here, you need to select the format that you want to download. I want to download it as MP3 file, so I choose the first one, this one, and it is downloading in the background. You can check it by opening SnapTube. Click here and go to my file. Yeah, the audiobook is on progress. So SnapTube is very useful, very helpful application. I use it always. Thank you very much for watching me. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video because it helps me a lot. Thank you. Have a good day. See you in another video.